Hello, in this video you're going to learn how to assign materials to the custom casework that you have done, custom furniture you've created in Revit. So we use Modeling Place to create this piece, and here if it is just one component, you can use a material here to assign a material to that custom part, but in the same family you have two different components and you want to assign different material on each component, each piece. So in that case, this is what you are supposed to do. So for example, you want to assign here, like the tabletop, you want to use like wood veneer. Then over here, family types, click that one. And you can see there are different options over here. To add material to it, you click here, new parameter. And here, name it. So this time we are doing tabletop, so tabletop. And over here, type of parameter, click the arrow and choose material because that's what we are creating. And for here, there are two options, type and instance. Over here we have only one thing. It is not multiple pieces. So in that case, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna stay with type though. So say OK. And here you see like top material for top is created, and right now it is by category, like it is really generic green gray material. So instead of that, you can choose any material. Here I have cherry wood, so I'll just use that one. So say OK. So it is cherry now, and say OK. So for top, cherry is prepared, but you still see it is not really assigned to that. It is because Revit still doesn't know if this is top or not. So click the top again, and here under material, click that little rectangle. You see top that we just created. So click that one, say OK. Now it is linking this top part to the material that we created. So that one is done. Now we have legs over here, and we have two legs. So we assign material to that one, to two legs. So again, the same process. Click family types, and here again we are creating a material for legs, so just name that legs. And here, because we have multiple instances, instead of type we can do instance. But here, if you plan to have different material on each instance, then yes, stay with instance. But if it is not, it doesn't really matter. But still, just in case I want to do different ones, I'm gonna click, I'm gonna assign instance here, and again the parameter is material. Say OK. And here for legs, you may want to do metal, and for metal there are different types of metals, and I chose to do steel, and there are lots of steels. So and among different types of steels, I'm going to choose steel paint finish, dark gray matte paint. So I chose that one, say OK. And now legs, you have this material, say OK, or apply or OK. That's good. Now just like the tabletop, it still doesn't know if this is legs or not for material assignment. So again, go to properties and click materials part, and you see legs over here because we just prepared. So click that one, say OK. Now you can see it is now the steel painted in black. So this one also, I'm gonna assign that to legs, and now the materials are changed. So that's how you create, assign materials to the components that you created for Model in Place. And let's finish that. So now it is created and materials are assigned.